Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting by framing the exact area you need. Zoom in until labels and roads are clear. Once done, capture a screenshot immediately. This preserves the map view. After the shot, tap the live preview in the lower left to launch markup. Make sure to switch map type now if you want satellite versus standard, because markup edits the image you captured. This first step locks the map composition so you can draw precisely on top without the map moving under your marks. Now you'll add your annotations. Pick a tool, pen, pencil, or highlighter, then set thickness and opacity for visibility. Use the color picker to code features and the built-in ruler for straight bearings. Place it, then draw along the edge. Pinch to zoom for tight curves or intersections to keep lines crisp. Add text labels and arrows to explain points of interest, and employ the magnifier for tiny detail. Save periodically using Done so you don't lose edits. Finish by tapping Done and selecting Save to Photos or Files. This preserves your annotated map as an image you can archive. Once saved, share it through messages, mail, or AirDrop. Make sure to add context so recipients know what the marks mean. If lines appear jagged or misaligned, re-screenshot at a higher zoom level, or, on iPad, use an Apple Pencil for smoother strokes. If markup freezes, force close the screenshot preview and reopen it. Storage or low memory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.